right, so why am I making all of these crazy recipes and eating beans for breakfast? So I am basically sick and tired of being sick and tired. Okay. I have a million diagnoses: Ehlers-Danlos, POTS, mast cell activation disorder, dysautonomia of all my systems, Hashimoto's, on and on and on and on. All of these different diagnoses. And I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of the lack of energy, tired of feeling terrible, tired of not being able to do things, just tired of it. So I really started to seek the Lord for healing. I just I need healing. It's something he promises us, right? So as I'm seeking the Lord, I keep ending up on beantok. And all these people are talking about how they've cured autoimmune diseases and how they're, oh, and perimenopausal as well. So that has added a whole level of, you know, pain to what I've been going through. So I've heard them say that it helps their perimenopausal symptoms, it helps their PMS, it helps all of these things. And I didn't really believe it and didn't really want to eat beans for breakfast when they're savory. And I just don't like beans for breakfast. Especially savory beans. Like I don't want to be eating onions and vinegar and all of that stuff in the morning for lunch or dinner, one thing. But I did hear people say that you needed to eat the beans in the morning so that you had steady blood sugar and all of that stuff. And I did a lot of research. And so I created these recipes so that I could eat them. I want to be able to eat something sweet, almost like an oatmeal, and I'm allergic to oats, so I can't have that. So an oatmeal or a porridge, and with fruits and different sweet things in there that made it feel more like breakfast for me. So that's why I created it, why I am creating these recipes and doing this. And as I'm researching and creating the recipes and researching the health benefits of beans, I figured I would just share them with you. So I am now 34 days in, and I can tell you I have seen massive changes to my body. The biggest change that I'm going to tell you that I've seen is when I say that I've been bone tired, I've been bone tired. There's been times that I've just laid in bed and not been able to get up just because of the exhaustion in my body, just every part of my body being exhausted. That was the first thing that went. And it's been unbelievable. I just can't even believe how I feel. It's like the exhaustion in my bones is gone. It's like I'm being nourished so that my body can work correctly, right? And on top of that, I had really, really, really bad insomnia. There was times when I would literally get 5 minutes of sleep, and I'm a children's ministry director, and the next morning I'd have to go to work, serve with 100 children, and be exhausted. The Lord always carried me through that, but to get 5 minutes of sleep and have to rely on the Lord for your strength and push through it is just not great. So my insomnia is completely gone, just completely gone. I have not had a day like that since I started eating beans. Do I know why beans work for insomnia? Absolutely not. So my exhaustion is gone. Part of it, I'm sure, was because of the insomnia. So my exhaustion and my insomnia is gone. I have much more energy, much more. I have clearer skin, greatly reduced sugar cravings, greatly reduced. I was eating lots of chocolate bars. And I know that that doesn't help at all, but I was eating lots of chocolate bars. And now I don't have that intense craving for those chocolate bars, right? I did put chocolate chips in my bean dip this morning, but I'm not like having to have it, like that craving that you just can't, you just have to put the chocolate in your mouth. The other thing was 15 days into it, I am perimenopausal, but I'm still consistently, on my cycle. And 15 days into eating the beans, I actually got my period and didn't even realize it was hardly coming, except for my phone app that was telling me it was coming, because I didn't have the crazy mood swings that I normally have, where I feel like I have to fight it, but I feel like I hate my husband, and I hate the whole entire world. I didn't have that. I didn't have any cramps. I didn't have the massive fatigue that kept me in bed for 2 or 3 days. I didn't have the stomach issues that I normally have. And that's another thing. My bowel movements are completely normal every single day, completely normal. That was a problem before. So I know one of the things, one of the health benefits is it binds to like estrogen and all of that stuff. And as you're eating fiber, fiber is the best thing for your hormonal health. So um, I don't know, like, I don't know the mechanism and all of that stuff. I can research it, but I'm not a doctor, and I'm definitely not a cook. I'm definitely not a cook. It's so funny to me that I'm making videos on here, recipe videos, because it's just not who I am. But I have felt so much benefits from just eating beans that I have to come out here and tell you guys. I mean, my TikTok name is Tracy Talks Truth because I want to share the truth with you. And if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it, but you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. And that's another reason why I'm posting those videos, because when I know that you guys are waiting for a video, like, it makes me get up in the morning and it makes me eat the beans no matter what. It makes me um, figure out how to eat it in a way that I like it. You're not going to like all of the recipes that I make. You're just not. But I'm going to make them, and I'm going to tell you the truth once I make them. And I do have a free recipe book in my bio. A lot of you know that. I think something like 275 of you have already downloaded it. And that is so exciting to me because I'm telling you, I've tried patches. I've tried every supplement under the sun. I've tried every MLM that's supposed to be healing. I've tried every nutrition, like just everything. I've tried everything to feel better. And this is literally the only thing that's made me feel almost normal again. So I'm so thankful to the Lord that He led me to it. And I'm so thankful that TikTok gives us a platform that I can share with you, because if it's changed my life this much, beans, I'm sure, will change your life. And it sounds so funny to say, but try it. Try it. Go ahead and try it. It's a challenge to you. Try it, and try it consistently. Do not skip a day here and skip a day there, because then you're not going to get the compounded benefits of it. Go ahead and try it, and then tell me how you're doing. Let's form a community here where we can just encourage each other and share the benefits of this. It's so cheap, it's so easy. You don't even have to like make any of the recipes that I make. You can just open the can of beans like a lot of people do and eat it straight out of there. I don't like that. I don't want to, and I don't want to eat savory in the morning, but just do it. Just eat your beans. Do it in the morning if you can. I think that that's a tremendous health benefit, because you have steady blood sugar throughout the whole day. You have reduced cravings. You're not as hungry. So try it in the morning. If you can't do it, then eat it in the afternoon or eat it at night. It doesn't really matter, I don't think, as long as you get the beans in. But I do think eating it in the morning is just a boost. And that's how I'm going to continue to do it. So if you have any questions, drop them below and I will answer them for you. And I just am so excited that it was something, a little dollar can of beans is making such a dramatic impact on my life. And I know it's going to do the same for you. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.